Today, I'll show you the easiest way to extract PPSSPP games using Zarchiver on any Android device. So simply go ahead and open your, Play Store and download Zarchiver to your device. Then open Zarchiver and locate your game file. In this case, it's going to be your PSP game file. So if I go to my download section real quick, you can see I'm having a game file in here. So what you want to do, just tap on the file just once. Once you tap on it, you're going to see 3 extract options. You see extract here, extract to, and extract with this 3 dots icon. So click the one with the 3 dots icon. Once done, locate your PSP folder. Your PSP folder is going to be, the one that you actually chose to use when you opened your PPSSPP emulator for the first time. As for me, my folder is inside the document section. So if I go to the document section, you can see my PSP folder in here. So I'm going to click on it. I'll select game. Then you see this arrow sign below. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to start extracting the original game file inside your PSP folder. So let's wait for it to finish doing that. As you can see, it is done with that. So we'll go ahead and open our PPSSPP emulator. So once open, you can see the game is still not here. That's because it does not know where we kept the game. So we have to show it. So you click this browse icon at the top. So once you click on it, show it where you kept your game file. So mine is in document PSP game. You can see the file in here. So I'll click on use this folder, allow. Now you can see that the game is here and is ready to play. Now, if you've not actually set up your PPSSPP emulator before on your Android device, you can go ahead and watch any of my PPSSPP setup videos on my channel, so you can actually do that. Also, when it comes to the best settings to utilize for your emulator, I'm going to recommend a video for the best settings towards the end of this video. So all you have to do, just stick to the end so you can have access to that. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
Get ready for the next round 1. Fight.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.